Here is Uber app. So if you tap on your profile on top right, then you can see Uber rewards. That's the place where you can see all the rewards you earned while requesting Uber. And then you can just tap choose rewards. So for example, you can get free coffee from Starbucks on Uber Eats, 40% off for a pickup order, free meal, 10% of a ride. But then you can see that I did quite a few rides, like I don't know, like 3-4 rides. Then I just got like 8 points. But here, to get just 10% of a ride, you need 300 points. So wow, that's a lot. So you need to get a lot of points, and I don't know if it's like feasible to actually get that many points. Then there are maybe there is some like leveling. If you use this program a lot, then you can just earn more points, or yeah. So that's about it.